It is so beautiful. I don't kiss on my first date.
Oh, Halima, why do you always have to be so cynical?
I just want to live this game.
Yeah! After we don't distribute the girl, you carry the first one, I carry the other one.
She knows what she's doing and she's enjoying it.
We all have our weaknesses too.
Then later, we interchange.
Wow.
Naso! Wow.
Thanks for coming.
Thanks for making me go.
You don't even know how that sounded in my head.
Hey, I don't want to sleep with you now.
You demonic spirits. I say, ah!
The Holy Ghost inside of me will burn you.
You Malaya. Can they tell you
Boy, you dey fuck up when you go know this girl now. Where you go?
Why your life no pass, shook, make it just a shook.
Shut yourself, nothing, no, Halima.
Me.
Tell you Bambai. You tell more than you know.
That I cannot agree with.
Yes, I see. That the sass is good.
Babe, tattoo. Wait. Hold on, babe. Come on. Babe. Tattoo.
What the hell, Wally? Save it. What? Go back to your woman and leave me alone.
What? Listen, you never acted like you give a shit about me. Then why are you acting all wifey right now? Listen, what makes sense is just come upstairs. Let's talk about this thing. Let me know why you're here. Babe. I'm sorry. Just come, babe, please. Just come. All right. Here we go. Oh, Lord, a mess. Yeah. Right in.
I don't hammer.
What's your hammer?
Wait. 5 million. I swear, I didn't go for that holiday.
One young Nigerian has developed an invention that will change the world for the better.
This is Agent Beverly Walker. I'm working a double murder case, and I think a Nigerian national is at the center of it.
You're dead.
Oh.
You set me up, and now you're gonna feel the fangs from the venom of the viper.
I think we need to get special operations involved. It looks like it could be the viper.
Target in view. Full focus. I did not say focus, sir. I said focus.
Guy, carry bomb, may you blow. You dey speak English since. I will choke you to death by myself, forgetting about whether you're a relative or not.
I hope where you dey look, not me, you won't shoot.
It is true that I am not a real spy, sir, but I am a real Nigerian.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Maybe you are a viper, but you're a dead viper. Now blow this whistle! Hey, I got that. What do we do now?